Hi, I'm Stefan from NRC, and today we're going to talk about the Oxy Spy analyzer. The Oxy Spy is an oxygen analyzer for scuba divers. It has a replaceable battery and oxygen sensor, as well as 3-digit display with 1 decimal and 1 button for the calibration. One of the best features of the Oxy Spy is you can quickly replace the cell and the battery by yourself. Please check out our other video where we explain how to do it. The Oxy Spy is very quick and safe and designed for dive bases. As you can see, the sensor is sitting in the handle with a 45-degree angle. This gives him protection of the moisture and of pressure surges. In addition, the Oxy Spy have an integrated MOD calculator. It gives you the maximum operation depth according to your selected PPO2 and your measured oxygen content from your diving cylinder. It comes in a storage bag, so the analyzer is well protected. It also has the battery, the screwdriver and the cell included inside. I hope you found our video helpful. If you have any questions, please contact us. See you next time!